Hello my dear friends, today I want to show you how to crochet this little thing. It is a keychain for bag or for car. You may use it where you want. And I will record several videos, and 3 to be exact. So I will show you how to crochet each of these paws. The methods of crocheting are different, and I will show you how to crochet each type of these toes. I will use crocheting hook number 4 and plush yarn 100 gram for 120 meters. So let's start. Today we will crochet this type of paws, and we start with additional color. You may use any color what you want, and we start with 7 single crochet into the magic ring. I will work 2 chain stitch and crochet 7 single crochet into the second stitch from the hook. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The second round is 6 increases, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Do not finish the 6 single crochet. We need to take the basic color and continue with it. Finish the last single crochet, make a knot, and walk 3 single crochet into the last stitch of the round. 1, 2 and 3. It should be 15 stitches in a round, and the next round we walk 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 6 times. 1 single crochet followed by 1 increase. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and walk 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Finished. Now I will use the marker to identify the beginning of the round. And round 4, in the 4th round we will crochet toes using puff single crochet. So we start with 5 single crochet, 3, 4 and 5. Now we need to take the yellow color thread and work a puff stitch consisting of 4 half double crochet. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and work it 4 times. Finish with brown, with beige thread. Then we work 1 increase into the next stitch and puff stitch again into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish with other color, work 1 increase, then the third toe, 3, 4. Finish, 1 more increase, and the last one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Finish with beige, work 1 single crochet, snip the additional color and make a knot. And we need to crochet 9 single crochet till the end of the round. Finish the first, then second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now it should be 24 single crochet in a round, and the next one we work 3 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 6 times. 1 increase, 1, 2, 3 single crochet followed by 1 increase. 3 increase, 1, 2, 3 increase, 1, 2, 3 increase, and the last one. So it's done. Now it should be 30 stitches in a round, and the next round we just work 30 single crochet without changing by yourself. It's done. And the next round 7, we work 3 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat 6 times. Decrease, 1, 2, 3, and decrease. Decrease is 2 stitches crocheting together. 1, 2, 3, decrease. I make decrease for the front loops. 1, 2, 3, and decrease. Now it should be 24 single crochet in a round, and the next one is 2 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat 6 times. Decrease, 2 single crochet followed by 1 decrease. Repeat 6 times. And the last decrease. Now we need to fill the paw with fiber. And we'll finish it. In the last round we need to work 11 decreases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last one 11. Snip the thread, leave it a bit longer. We need to tighten the ring. We will use sewing needle and we need to take these 7 stitches, but we take only front loops. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Tighten the ring. and hide the thread into the toy. Snip the yarn. So our keychain paw is ready. It looks like this. I hope you like it. The first part of video is finished. Put likes, write comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.